know what day it is. Hey, what is up? It's your girl Khabirah, aka Bira Boo, and I'm coming to you with Vlogmas #1, y'all. Yes. Okay, I know y'all been waiting for a long time. Oh, I'm out of camera. For a long time. But today, I'm going to take you guys on an adventure. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, y'all. If y'all want to see some new videos, y'all need to subscribe. Okay, don't miss a Vlogmas because I'm gonna be doing some giveaways and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and get right into the video, y'all.
Jingle bell,
Hey y'all, I am back. I hope y'all liked my first Vlogmas video, y'all. This is my first Vlogmas and more will be coming. So I will see y'all in my next video. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment if you like. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.